Hey, welcome back to the shop, guys. I'm Chris with M7 Metalworks. I got just a simple project today. I'm not really dressed to work out in the shop, but this is such a small little project. It won't take any time at all, and it's going to be a short video. I got a little buck knife here, and they've got an excellent warranty. I could probably send this in and get the blade replaced without a whole lot of issue, but the tip has broken off on that. And this is kind of a knife that I've had for probably near 30 years at this point, somewhere in that neighborhood. And so what I'll do is, rather than send it in and take the time and effort to do that, it really takes very little time on the sander, belt sander, to reprofile this knife. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to reprofile it. And so I'll just show you guys real quick, and I'll get you a close-up of this. And then we'll just take it to the Ameribraid 2x72 belt sander. And I'll probably put something like 120 grit belt on there, and then go up to maybe as high as a 600 grit. So anyway, stay tuned. It'll be a short video, but hopefully it'll help some of you. And there's a picture of that tip broken. So let's get her fixed. Okay guys, like I promised, just a short little video on reprofiling this little buck knife. The number on this is a 425X Buck USA, and I went ahead and took the liberty of cleaning it up. I put it in the ultrasonic and cleaned it up. It took like 2 minutes to clean it up, and then I did just polish that edge just a little bit, just to sharpen her up a little bit. This is not something that I need to be razor sharp. It's really something that I use for opening up a packaging or box or something like that. But I'll show you a little close-up view of that. Okay guys, well, thanks again for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe, and comment. Until the next video, I'm Chris with M7 Metalworks.